If you've ever bought luxury or collectible items online, you'll have had concerns about counterfeit and mislabelled goods. Most online marketplaces are absolutely flooded with fakes, and unlike our traditional brick and mortar stores, there's no discernible difference between any of the listings. This has, in recent years, become an even bigger issue, as most items sold online aren't actually sold by the website we think we're buying from. They're actually sold by third-party sellers, and even though probably most third-party sellers are upstanding merchants, an awful lot of them are just peddling fakes. This issue has been so bad in recent years that Amazon's listing for its own line of Amazon Basics goods are getting hijacked by imposter sellers. The problem of fake listings and impersonation has caused Nike to pull out of selling on Amazon altogether. So what's the solution here? Well, eBay's solution is the eBay Authenticity Guarantee Program. The program vets and verifies eligible luxury items to allow people to sell and purchase with complete confidence, apparently, at no additional cost to the buyer or seller. It's been described as a seal of approval you can trust and complete confidence. But how is the experience and how does it work in practice? Let's find out. For this video, I actually did buy something through the program. I bought these slightly vintage Yeezy shoes, a completely extraneous and totally unnecessary purchase. This isn't the sort of thing I usually buy. I'm normally quite into minimalism, but all my trainers are pretty dire. They're all kind of work trainers, so I decided I need some slightly fashionable ones. And what shoes could be possibly better than shoes made by...
I'm not going to say what race, what people, doctor, and what hospital, and what media it went to. We know I can't say that.
Let's have a quick rundown of how the process actually works. So after you purchase a qualifying item, the seller ships it to eBay's Authentication partner, who verifies its authenticity. Once that's done, it's sent on to you with all the documentation. For me, the entire process took a few days, but I did get all the necessary delivery notifications, so I was very happy with it. We'll start by opening up the packaging. Now, eBay authenticates items by sending them to a trusted third-party expert to verify their authenticity before they ship it onto you. As you can see, my shoes came with their original box. We've got absolutely loads of original packaging and even some of the original tags from when they were new. We've got a little leaflet here explaining the service. And here is the main authentication tag from eBay. It's got a QR code on the back where you can scan it and use it to access your certificate of authenticity. And then you can view that in any web browser on any phone. I'm going to be wearing these shoes, so I'm just going to cut my authenticity tag off. But if you're buying as a collector or to give these as a gift, you might want to leave that on. So you've got a link between the shoes and their certificate of authenticity. Same with the packaging. You might want to keep that if you're going to sell it on, or if you're going to give it away, or if you're going to have it as a collector. But like I say, I'm going to wear these, so I'm going to throw my packaging away. These are going to be my fancy trainers for when I go on nights out and things like that. Just for dressing smart but casual. As for the condition, they're exactly as described in the listing. There's no surprises for me here. The price was definitely on the higher end, but considering it's been verified as authentic, I feel I got my money's worth. The authentication process does add a little cost, but I think it's worth it for that extra peace of mind. And it's not really that much more than you'd normally pay for shipping, so I actually think it's well worth it. As they're Yeezys, these shoes are of course very comfortable. They do look slightly ridiculous, but I think that's part of the fun, that's why people buy them. When these shoes arrived, they were a little bit dusty, so I decided to give them a bit of a wash in some warm water. They're of course used as well, so I can see people have worn them before me, so I think good idea to give them a bit of a wash. I decided to just run them under some warm water. I give them a bit of a scrub with a brush as well. This is usually the way I clean my shoes. A bit of hot water will get most of the dust and dirt off the outside and will clean out any sweat, debris or smells from inside the shoes. Not that I have particularly smelly feet, but if you do, then you might want to add a bit of antibacterial soap to the warm water. Best way to dry these shoes off is to leave them in the sun on a windowsill or maybe even outside, but because I'm in a cold, damp part of the UK, I left them on a slightly warm radiator to dry. Apologies about all the bags of rubbish and the laundry in these shots. This is the joy of living in shared student accommodation and dealing with other people's mess. Overall, I'm really happy with the purchase that I've made, and I'm really happy with the eBay authentication process. The item is exactly as I hoped for, and the authentication process was very smooth. It really does add an extra layer of security for buyers. If you're someone who's a bit wary about purchasing high value items online, which I think kind of everyone is, I highly recommend eBay's authentication service. That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching today. Let me know what you think in the comments if you've ever used this service or if you know of similar services or if you're thinking about trying it out. Please do share the video with your friends if you found it helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more content from me. I hope to make some more videos soon. Thanks so much again. See you all next time. Goodbye. Ba ba ba. Ba.